students, welcome back to the Super Memory for Schools program. I'm Thao Nan. Today we will continue with English Grade 2. Are you ready? Let's start. Look at this mind map. The lesson we are going to learn today is sounds and letters. What sounds and letters? Let's find out. The first part, listen and repeat.
Letter Q. Qu.
Letter Q and the sound qu. We have two ways to write this letter. The capital letter Q and the small letter q. Some words begin with Q, such as
Qu. Queen.
qu for queen. Your turn. Next,
Qu. Quiet.
qu for quiet. You try.
Qu. Quiz.
Qu for quiz. Your turn. Can you find any words beginning with this letter? Okay, tell me later.
Letter R. R. R.
Letter R and the sound R. We have two ways to write this letter, the capital letter R and the small letter r. Some words begin with this letter, such as
R. Rainbow.
R for rainbow. Your turn.
Letter R. 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 River.
R for river. Your turn. Next.
Dr, road.
R for road. Your turn. Next letter.
Letter S. S.
S. And the sound S. We have two ways to write this letter. The capital S and the small letter S. Some words begin with this letter, such as
Sell.
S for sail. Your turn.
Sand.
S for sand. Repeat.
Sea.
S for sea. Good job. Now let's look at the mind map and review. We have letter Q for queen, for quiet, for quiz. We have letter R for rainbow, for river, for road. We have letter S for sail, for sand, and for sea.